Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have a card share for you today from my friends on Instagram and here on YouTube. So we had a Valentine's Day card swap last month. So here are the ones that I received. This first one here is from my friend Cherryl. So she sent me this. So I love this one here, and it says best friends, and it has the like a heart, and it's two necklace. And I think this one is the Spellbinder's die of the month. So I really like this Cherryl, and she also have this heart on the back here, and then the rainbow stamp set from Erin Lee Designs. So I really like that. And then it says you make my heart happy, and then she wrote a message inside. This one here is from my friend Jen. So I really love this one. It's super cute. This one is the Doodlebug, one of the Doodlebug collection, and this poodle here, dog. I think that's what you call it. I don't know all the names of the dogs or what they are, but I think this is a poodle. Is that right? So I really like this one. It's super cute, and it says I wolf you. So thank you so much for this, Jen. And this card here is from my friend Cherrie, and I love that this card is so simple but it's so elegant. I love it. It's I don't know if she embossed this or she did the foiling, and I really love this one. It's so pretty. So this card is from my friend Cherrie. This card here is from my friend Gigi. So I really like this one too, and I love that she did the folding of the paper on the background. So as you can see right here, and then this ephemera is so pretty, and she also used like a paper doily on the back. And then she also added this thank you die cuts. Thank you for this, G. So I'm gonna use this on my cards. So she sent me 3 thank you die cuts. So thank you again for this, G. So that's that one. And then this one is from my friend Renee, and I sent this stamp set to her, and then she made me a card using that stamp set that I sent her. But this is so creative. She used a lot of washi tapes on the background, so that's really creative. I love the smile on this guy, and it says happy Valentine's Day. So thank you for this, Renee. And then she also sent me Stamps of Life stamp set. So it has sentiments, hello for my friend, and thank you. So thank you for this, Renee. These 2 cards here are from Ate Sol. So this one here, she sent this to me I think in January, and I really like this one because the background is die cut, and it says hi, and she also die cut that with I think silver paper. So thank you for this again, Ate Sol. And then she also sent me this one here for our card swap in February, and she colored this background I think with Copics, and then the heart is die cut with lace on the edges. And then she also die cut the sentiment love with gold shiny paper. I really like this card, Ate Sol. It's beautiful. So thank you so much for sending me these 2 cards here. So that's that one. And then this one here is from my friend Helen. she sent me this one here, and this one is super sweet. And she have a video process making this card here. I think this is like a collection that she got from Etsy, and then she printed the paper, the pattern paper, and then she also printed this ephemera here, and then she cut it with her I think silhouette, and then she added this sentiment here, and then hugs and kisses. Super cute. I love this, girls. So that's this one. Oh, and then in the inside she also added this girl with the balloons. So that's that one. So that's from my friend Helen. And then she also sent me this one here. I got this one. This is actually Christmas. I forgot to share it last time. So she sent me this card here for Christmas, and it says I love you even though we're polar opposites. She said that this is her husband's card, but she accidentally sent it to me. This card is really cute. I love this card, Helen, and the penguins and the polar bear. So I really love this card. It's super cute. And then she also added the penguin inside. So that's that one. And then she also sent me 3 of this sequin, what do you call these ones? Sequins tray. So she sent me 3 of this. So that's this one here. And then she sent me this sequins here that has like mix of iridescent red and green and then pink. That is so pretty. This sequin mix here is perfect for St. Patrick's Day cards, shaker cards or something. So that's that one. And then this one, I love the colors on this one. It's like a spring Easter colors. So, and I think this one is from pink strawberry sequin mix. So I really like this one. And she also sent me this tool here for my sequins. I have this Marby jewel picker here, but I don't recommend this because at first it was really good, but the stickiness will go away. So I added this mounting putty that I got from the store. So that's how, so I just put it like this. And it's sticky again. So like that. So that's that one. But I also have this one here, the crystal katana, but like this one is not cheap. That's why I don't want to use it, because I'm always worried that it's I messed up the tip here. So I use this one instead, but since Helen sent me this, so this is the one that I'm gonna use now. And then my friend Chris also sent me this stamp set here. She asked me if I have this stamp set, and I said no, I don't have. So she sent me this one. And then look at this adorable tag here. She colored this critter here with, I think, colored pencils, and then it says hugs, and then she wrote a message on the back. And then this one is so pretty. The color is so pretty. And then it was wrapped with this burlap twine here, and then this heart tissue paper. And this is the stamp set that she sent me. It's from LDRS Creative, Today's Heroes. And these ones are super cute. I have the Christmas ones, and now I have more like little people, because that's the one I don't have. So thank you so much for this, Chris. So you get a few of the images and also a few of the sentiments. So thank you again for this, Chris. So that's that one. And then the last one is from Waffle Flower. I won one of their giveaways on Instagram, and then they sent me this. So it has these two sets of tulips here, and this is really pretty. I love it. So the name of the stamp set is Tulips stamp set. And then they also sent me this card that says, "Thank you so much for your support. I hope you love your new tulip stamp set." So thank you so much, Waffle Flower, for sending me the stamp set and for the card. So these are all the cards that I received in January and February. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me this happy mail, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.